General na money bo say the officer who state agency say the sika or the bon ho bra na sika or mind the share and san what the ejuma na so nya ejuma Auditor General report no and e be dan san no man di meboa
no correct
if you bra wo sha say we ye political show or radio show emiri bia ye discuss adverse financial findings as far as any state agency is concerned that a report ben this uncommon. And your Auditor General's report.
Sure.
Auditor General's report to know so go hemwa. BBA anywhere say gold board any my human operations and say ne sika or the bon ho bra no. Bibi boni biabe. BBA anywhere say wabota. BBA anywhere say wa say sika. BBA anywhere say edu fruta na say Petermin Kuminyansem Biada and Wadi. Anyway, to that. And to say you would have some every kind. In fact, Gold Board, one of the state agencies are Yayen Ho and Kunta who bones and Rieno, Auditor General Yen Hunkunta who bones and Rieno, or Chair say, or Moon Shows up, or the Gold Board who shows up, Robert. It is uncommon, yeah, fire, every year. Now, sir, I am a report na nkata mini anya bere ne kan why.
Okay.
What kind of bones say de de hu ahwe ntachiri. What kan wi ahụ san kan Gold Board Act 1140. Next Gold Board ni tumia okura ene nia woye. Wo wi nso ahụ next eye PMMC bra na PMMC ye adwuma no. Se tumia no okura ne ba bia na wo nia wotumi ye ne nia wontumi ye. You would have come again to be acting managing director ma a PMMC no. Sabreno and she say ya net that what that dano and was quasho. Nya we ye can wa
Me pacho Otemeka. Hello Miniaminta. Wow. Miniaminta pacho Otemeka. Oh. I think we have lost our good brother Minta on the line. So, yeah, but try we'll get back to him. Because, as is rightly said, I've gotten the IMF report here with me, and then the details therein. And, said, one was started the conversation premise on the Auditor General's report. Now, you're back with you. Now, who can be to us way?
And then they be busy on man so not permanent. And they had no crab permanent.
Sure.
Now, a bit a acting managing director, your friends, the PMMP. Now, and she said, what that done, which is the goal for reserve or twash. 12 one. And your back also say at that time, no, not PMMC to me to say good body to me, and they have to a good market in one mark. So that time, no, not PMMC rule will play a buying agent rule. Now, when you so buyer, so exporter, so are there like Gold Board, you need to get the difference. So it is that lack of understanding. And I am a guy in the deal with a man of Bona Watrena. Sabe, Mrasebe Gafua, one team Gold Board. And Mran, another more team Mran who Gold Board no, who must know better no, and Nama, who move to Truben to the DNC. Gold Board was only a buying agent. It played its buying agent role. It is a ye can be once a man. And can when you go board and crack them when you before. I don't see you go board and crack them which let's say a Kebia Bana. The answer lies in the Auditor-General's report.
But also 1 year I say a Gold Board no Abokano, the IMF has cited two different loss figures this year. One cited $214 million through third quarter 2025. And then later, almost 30, $1.7 billion full year 2025. Besides, how can a Gold Board I reconcile these two numbers and then I accounted for the difference?
Gold Board does not need to reconcile any number. there are any adverse findings on gold board's operations, it must reflect in an Auditor-General's report. Auditor-General can be say, gold board according to Kakoko Gaboka. Hello?
Yes, me too.
Mami fast went to it.
All right, fast.
The Ghanaian African.
Okay.
And the woman Pan-Africanism. Now, as a Ghanaian and an African, also who say, gold board my ye, ABC crazy, a quite bad ABC. Caneno not as a Vienna piano, a Vienna biaba. If I catch a pan and type to my Ghana, I say you see denied day, I hata in the words of former President Nana Kufuado. You see the mere hata na. Emma a kana ye dieno e gugu kosoro lewa. For that reason, the young sure Emma ye ko a IMF for see a pajabwa. And see the near hata na, and what rubber my and no more walk a sent Piadia walk and no more ye tongue would don't kosoro. It's the Yamutreba. And a yamin charge ye. Nyamia will change Yansa Manishu would be out for. What did Yansa who are buying trim? And led by His Excellency John Dramani Mama, or activated fire. Abuama and Ne, Yama Shebeja for 275. Atina 18 bra. Awo a year, Ashabia, your friend of gold board. So gold board no, and as the one operations mono. One fashion one in your bronico was the baby, and 2 years ago, Muna and what they might see, and they are what they know, and they might see, and they see the night stable. And I'm saying, yes, stability, and no more wabba form 80. Some watch them Katakakra, ye free walk. Do you think for what IMF and that's for 9 IMF will choose more? Do you think? And when you back this and a more matri. When you back this So I'm not impugning anything, I'm only drawing an inference. And this is my personal view, not the view of Gold Board. This is my personal view. That of course what can you triple my you concentrate on bigger things for the year. It's simply because that coin the BIA Pasua, you call IMF for them, one. Now, ever with all kinds of conditions, and my mind be busy, but I know was a do every crump and do my cry into found off one. And that's that coin, you see, no problem can see a Davono, and I'm gold board, and they did in the edge of Brani. What was the last time I will call? I will say, you know, every I could do a sort of one 2 years, some years ago. Last time on TV, Mr. And in 2001, it is there for all of us to see. You go more than you know, I idea some more my Ghana, and then you can you go trade your gold trading industry now, and the gold board are formalizing. Can you know? Ghana was will be every baby. No, I be now I bet to Kakoko, one crack that will be a bet to Kakoko, and so far to be in our north the Coqua. Can you know now for the fact that 3 quarters, preview more, and the fire Kakoko, and bonus should be canny memoir. Then now the gold board was 90, smuggling no year the couple, and now the gold board was 1 and the illegal pricing here, and that's the whole program. For the first time, we will send for Abrabumu, Minia. For the first time, you are hearing the word traceability.
Yeah.
So there be a Sikako, you too free, you know. You have a big answer, dear Digano, and then that's another Komobi cost where say, yet they are there for credit a baby in Aswa, yet the better should be years Kako on it. Sanka gold board and man Katanko Beba. So, Bibi Papa be air also. Then Kofobim. I don't know how we in our bow.
Now, minimum in day. I'm said, dear, what can you now?
Mammy, for win was
maybe to fatwa.
Can command what he any how a good board, the advanced procurement of digital disability system, Ebabesh contain good tracking. Can they come when they will be? But unfortunately, and also OB is chief. None need that. Another good course with the Nika Ketibana was able to grow baby, you know. And now, when I go from Kobo in our by 37 years, I did this uncle.
Minimum day. Say, Usha institutions are a one Ghana. Institutions in Nano, I run it one own account. Now, maybe that's it. Now, go board, Hono, a crime bench soon I am Mufaswa, but me calculating more profit and more losses.
Well, question I would say here. A one person you have to calculate your profit and your losses. Your financial directors will have to, and I only. Sure. Your amount of years because them so happy. Who say your mother ministry, your finance ministry?
I know.
It's Auditor-General so expected ya kunta buon some the other baba poor many. No more tree. So by area, government workers, civil servants, or you meduma. It's only way in area, nobody woman about some other figure. Then can be expected to say honorable or the upper.
Yes, I'm a friend.
Chairperson of the Public Accounts Committee. Sure. Everything Columbia, the Upper Gold Board, Ethica Samwa. And the expectation is that when you gun and near what you're near, when you know me on the Public Accounts Committee, no. What was the Casamon Commodore, but Auditor-General's report, no, and what the edit uncle.
What was that?
Following the bandwagon, he's following the bandwagon because there again, let us pontificate, said about Ghana Quadrin between the real issues. I don't find them fortunate.
Okay.
Because there are discerning minds in this country.
Sure. What was that? Some of the questions we asked to clear some doubts in the minds of our listeners. So what you say? I don't think I have questions. And as our question, and I'm able. And as our question, and as our maybe. And as our question, now me bisa we can say. I shouldn't have even asked that question because Nanka they compare a choir IMF no a fasua woman those quasi physical laws framing na ya omode bano na anke hu choir ye be fasua ye betimi esia.
No, so IMF there no point I'm making is say dia wa bra omoto to mpanimfo ano no o man to omo ase appreciate the transitional process na say. So now your PMMs are now what go for reserve program. Sabra no what program no. Now we're buying agent and I say buying agent. And in March 2026, Gold Board and she say na Emma Gold Board buy the sole buyer, sole assayer, sole exporter, sole refiner of gold and other precious minerals. March 2026. And that time she said here. So at that time, SOMPA played the role of a buying agent. You know, not so Bank of Ghana played the role of no, there was an intermediary or what I should say. When you call Sikano, everybody we dreamer, you better at the Abuama you see them and that is that understanding that you see you got some agency. Now what you say. And say, "Oma for my dream uncle," and then no what you Ghana for you not dream the idea. It's so
okay.
Bra, yeah, what you what you know was your what I didn't way.
Or Chanepa.
Tipano and Omachiano.
That would was there. Sir, you call 2025. But him say, Gold Board reported a projected loss of about 700 to 800 million. That was in 2025. Now, some figure now more reported, you know. So we relating to a year IMF for the year on Mabatu things, 214 million Ghana cedis, 1.7 billion figures attributed to the same program in the same year as losses are. I just don't get the difference. It bothers my mind. Let me throw some clarity on this.
It bothers my mind. Said if I know we are man a body free, so good board it project losses be ever.
I am talking about.
In journalism, answer now. Audio man body.
Sure.
5 W's and H.
Sure.
W's
Okay, so where I got this figure from, and your projected loss, and your projected surplus, and I tapped it on the net, but I'll make reference to the specific source and let you know later on the discussion.
No,
I made mention of surplus. Sure.
It projected your friend
surplus.
Surplus no. And Fasudia and after Tikai Binya, and the African, a Ghana ye no. It's a wood digger and after whole Tomadia. None say, Ubinian Sikapia, so the one. And now Mamia or Toanka will teach you where you there. It's a bottom man and say one Franco Toancano. What you want now, what did you do? And then you gave 3 years out. And car a dunam de coe, a boy 11 a.m. Naka Bakupe. Necessary no business capable. 80 so would be got there's always a possibility that we send you to some year day, if it's the apple. So I'm sure that's the reason here. Yeah, there's some man upon the two and go body, you be a baby and I hope the same will be. Yeah, one of the state agencies, all my muha. Yeah, they your quarterly report to ya. Yeah, trade report to ya. It's in fact, good what is the Bible. Yeah, be Yaquem, yeah, be your promise, be a one to be near air coso.
And you know,
say, over the service about, yeah, very refer to your website and another. Free movie magic confirmation. The amount who through any Ghana for any show. Enough is enough. Tell 8 years, Brian Breno, woman. Make up Brian Breno. I'm referring to. Ben get me wrong.
Hello, Minia. Oh, I don't know why. But one last question I'm a person maybe say good board. I didn't publish your Mwankasa. One own audited and itemized breakdown of a year, one more reports na see about trading margin fees, exchange rate effects, rather than relying on IMF disclosures. I was here. Meet you.
I think my baby.
What baby?
What baby? If you watching me, see how we are asking down there, you know, you're not IMF. Sabre, I see a wood street, that coin a dear IMF. Why would you get any, and you want and you were there. So finally, Yenya, a new group, that Roma, you and that one madame, you know, you see, you think I'll see, you know, and dinner branding. And day, then all of a sudden we are fighting over something that does not even exist. All because a certain Britain Wood institution says this is so. Well, then go into the nitty-gritties of the issue as an appreciation of our crown water. Well, fundamentally, me church we are fundamentally crown. I'm sure one day they will look back and say, "Oh, we got this wrong." I did it back.
What was that? This IMF disclosure, see, a bar, a hard drink, a crap. Now, my name is a gold bond and Casancasano. Mobile publishing own audited, itemized breakdown of the domestic gold purchase program performance. So, mobile with the trading margins, beba fees, beba with the exchange rate effect, beba. So, Sanya money be top on thing. I don't think, say, young Casancasano as a minor. Will be relying on IMF disclosures. Is there that intention?
Makacho no say, okay, website for no crampa yewo. Maybe I access trade reports. It is a common as those itemized
SOMPA FM.
At the dining wedding. So a idea eda kwemwa ye babe. In fact, you need to hear. And in the coming days, which one share website now? Wa check it. Time money now.
All right.
About period, you can trust Gold Board. That we are in the news. Why? We are in the news because we love to tell our own stories.
Now, who be for the source of that figure now? Made it to Jano, and it's emanating from your own story. Gold Board is Ghana's gold story. Let's build it together, not tear it down. By Prince Kwame Minkah, Media Relations Officer. So that was where I got these figures from.
It's a near article now, and Bakuna, so I'm a trainer for Bretton Woods institution. What can I?
I know the Minyan share, but I'll read that one to you, and then at
a later time, Nyabrenna can kind of a editorial not with you for no you.
Mate, why? Mate. Maybe you better ask. Now, what was me follow, pa? We follow each other. We follow Gold Board. Seriously. Now, this one is just not part of the conversation, but Samijan Fee is somebody, me personally, mad my mini and MPSA Tanaha, and I'm a catcher in MPSA say, Sabranti, no Ghana, Oba be president. Mama shut the uncle.
From your lips to God's ear.
Yes. Well, Samijan Fee, Oba the president, Umpo, Maka. And to go and catch the mayor Buchi say, Samijan Fee, Oba the president. Now, my say.
What happened? I ever see you.
Oh, but upon your markings about Ababa admit to say. And yes, a time be no what time. Now, dear, what can they say? What I said, what in the year? Said the Bayer or Chile be no. Sir, what if you are bringing a friend to come and account? Over who can over fast or back account? And go some anybody.
Mammy can't be true.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you lie, idiot. And then I lie. Okay. That was all castle be actually, but my uncle, I be good to some crowd, but so catch me. I said, yeah, common a baby. I ain't good tea. I had until the overcast, Sana, yeah, common a baby. I said, man, I was already dying.
But what did you have you? But let's say, the Ukonyani Judas, Judas, we use mine. Thank you to me. You mean about as a woman. Now, Yan now that say, then we use Suma or some of the car. Something else can say. There's always a justification for everything. But near a year, need a whole bonnet. Oh, yeah, okay.
And to when the open chest said, you're more yet, and need a whole bonnet and no more yet to be able.
Maybe some come ask them to what you can see in ye.
Sir, and therefore, would tell me more monkey can see in ye. Because of one can see it, no more who may be as some no ever quack could do. And you know, the minimum you know, the IMF at the Ababatua Bonting as a brie. Ama manfo enye na so bia wo mo de kasatia eye Gold Board ene owura sabe jemfi no sansam no nyina no which disregard it say disregard ya mo respond officially to the statement from the IMF.
The official response and your press statement in kwa.
Okay.
You will have sabe jemfi grant a number of interviews.
Sure.
It's yakasa ama manten nyina ate. Many would do common tabri. So only Gold Board customer for the dingo.
No great.
It's a response to the Diamano. Response is very simple. Fundamentally, appreciation of a year transition from DMMC to Gold Board era. And it's a man to Honasi. It's a moment for me. 1 year, Omoka, a Kabiaba. And near Yakasia power when some outwaya, media to any day, and it said, Oko Auditor-General's report in one, now Oko Gold Board and Krater one. Auditor no Crampa and Dine, it said, Yaboka do a baby. Inti, so because the Gold Board are boka, a dear and dancing gay. Grandpa Semu say it, Adia within the new woo. say I didn't know home for you. Everything will be unfair.
Yeah.
So what are we talking about?
Really, and then my info common see, but we want to wish you well. Na ejuma na mo bo no so no minim say ejuma eboa amagana economically no ye betimi anya asumdwe. Once again, we want to say a big thank you for making time with us. Why?